It is time to say no. It is time to say Wantam. It is time to say that these people need to go home. We need to clean the slate. We need to remove all those people that are there. The only way is to inject and say it is a one-term system. Let that gentleman leave and go home, and I'm certain when he goes to rest, we will not bully him. We will not harass him. I know for a fact, because I have sat in that government. I know for a fact, because I sat with the current president. I know for a fact, because I moved around with him. And I know for a fact, because I campaigned for him. This is the nature of his operations. And I cannot step back saying that. The people who help him are now the people that he is crushing, that the people is bullying, that the people he does not want to speak anything against him. Why? Because first of all, they know what he can do or what he is, and that they do not want him there anymore. This cannot be the way, because when you promise people that there will not be any harassment, people will not be arrested haphazardly and all that, and yet you go back and do the same thing, tell me why we should trust you as our president.